I'll be back, babies. Okay. Next up is probably going to be Alright, so this time I got to go into the office a few days. So this time I'm just going to show you guys exactly how far my office is from my house. This is like really close. This was probably one of the primary reasons why I chose this house. My work right here. I'm parked in the back today. Pretty successful day at work. The new hire seems to know what she's doing. Working in the tech industry as a Republican, you really have to... I consider myself a Republican, fuck it. The way things are going, I consider myself a Republican now. If you would have asked me that like maybe 10 months ago, I would have said nah. But yeah, anyways, working in the tech industry as a Republican, I really have to bite my tongue. Oh my God, I practically never wear this jacket. Now I know why I don't. It's not even that hot today, but it's like 100 times more hot with this jacket. There's a school bus up ahead. I don't know if I got that on camera. I just put out their stop sign. Jesus Christ. You're killing me, Smalls.
Shut up! You're killing me, Smalls.
wearing a mask in your car, then I don't know what to tell you, bro.
They've done studies, 60% of the time it works every time.
We'll see. I'm gonna ride again tomorrow, so I'll probably add tomorrow's footage to this as well.
Tomorrow.
Alright, today I just wanted to touch on how I was saying it's super difficult to be a Republican in the tech industry yesterday. It's pretty sad that all Republicans now are just labeled as scum of the earth. They need to be exterminated. Not just by my fellow colleagues, but the president gave a speech last week that was pretty ridiculous. But I don't want to focus on that. That's depressing. So when I go camping to Corpus Christi, I'm gonna take my motorcycle, so obviously I'm not gonna be able to camp on the beach. I'm not trying to do it like that $1 million Bogan guy. I don't have a whole lot of money, so I can't risk breaking my bike. But there's some camp spots up above the beach that I would like to go to. But yeah, other than camping, I think the next long motorcycle trip I want to take would be, depending if because my uncle said that he wants to go to Yellowstone, and that would be really cool, depending on if he wants to go to Yellowstone or not, because I know he's older and he's got a messed up back, so it's understandable if he doesn't want to go. But if he doesn't want to go, my backup plan would be to go to the Ozarks in Arkansas. That would be really cool too. I ordered these like motorcycle tour guide things from, there's this channel that I watch called Ride for Food, where she does a really good job. I don't know how she edits. That's amazing. My videos are pretty shit. I can't even imagine how long that takes. And if I did decide to go to the Ozarks or Yellowstone for that matter, I would actually film it, because I didn't film this last trip to California because it was just freeway. There was nothing to see. Whereas the Ozarks and Yellowstone, there would be some cool rides that I would go to once I get there. I don't think I'm gonna do any filming after work today. Like, comment, subscribe.